A wise person once told me, let people do what they want to do so you see what they'd rather do. That'll answer all the questions you have. Never stop being a good person, no matter how badly someone else treats you. Their words and actions reflect who they are. You can sleep with peace of mind knowing that you never hurt anyone. When you become really close to someone, you can hear their voice in your head when you read their texts. Never search for your happiness in others. It will make you feel alone. Search for it in yourself, and you will feel happy even when you are left alone. Don't be impressed by money, followers, or degrees. Be impressed by humility, integrity, generosity, and kindness. When a woman loves you, she seeks assurance and wants to feel like the only special person in your life. Any woman can be replaced, but a woman who was there for you when you had nothing, a woman who supported and encouraged you at your lowest, a woman who chose you over men, who could offer her the world, that kind of woman is irreplaceable. If you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you're always in the same place. Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. 5 rules of a relationship. 1. Stay faithful. 2. Make them feel wanted. 3. Respect your partner. 4. Don't flirt with others. 5. Make time. Time decides who you meet in life, your heart decides who you want in your life, and your behavior decides who stays in your life. Psychology says women unconsciously nurture relationships in the same direction they nurture their babies. Women foster and nourish whatever comes their way, including grown-up men. When a woman sleeps with a man, she trusts him. In sex, a woman surrenders her life, will, and body to the man to do with her as he wishes. That's why women get broken to pieces when relationships break down. No matter how beautiful they are with body and money, but if they are not the same beautiful with mind and heart, please understand and accept that they are not for you. Walk away. They start missing you when they fail and can't replace you. Most women lost a good man just because they listened to their toxic single friend's advice. Don't base your relationship decisions on the advice of people who don't have to live with the results. Stop taking relationship advice from people who have never been in a successful relationship. Your relationship doesn't need to make sense to anyone except you and your partner. It's a relationship, not a community project.